Polyester composite strap and buckle.
We have to use the composite.
First step, second
Like this.
and third.
It will be like this. And then this one also same.
1, 2 and then 3.
Then
Little bit tight.
and buckle should be here. Last of the corner of the application. The down layer is there. And this one insert.
वेट, यहाँ पे वेट करें थोड़ा सा.
Okay.
हटाएं, हाथ हटाएं. ठीक है.
Then start the contact. We have to tie it until this one and this one both on will properly close. Upper one and down one. From this side also the properly close. When the properly close, it means this is the fully tight now. Like this now you can feel. Yes. And then press this one down. Take it out.